Hey guys, welcome to Quizzer Academy channel. Think you're smarter than the average person? This is not your typical quiz. These questions are rare, mind-expanding, and designed to challenge your brain. Before starting, subscribe our channel and hit bell icon. Let's start this challenge. Which organ uses the most oxygen in the human body? Quick, what's your guess? The brain uses about 20% of the body's oxygen, despite its small size. What type of exercise improves brain memory the most? Seconds left. Make it count. Walking increases blood flow to the brain, boosting memory. Which Olympic sport uses a scoring system called touches? Subscribe our channel for our weekly quizzes. Fencing scores points through touches with the opponent. Which nutrient damages kidneys when consumed excessively? The clock is ticking. Pick your answer. Too much protein puts strain on kidney filtration. What color is the hottest star? Blue stars are hotter than red or yellow stars. Which country hosted the first modern Olympics? The first modern Olympics were held in Athens in 1896. Which sport has the highest number of Olympic medals overall? Athletics, track and field, has the most medal events. Which human sense is fastest? Don't skip question number 10. Only 5% can solve. The brain processes visual signals faster than others. Which vitamin is produced by sunlight? Hit bell icon for more exciting quizzes. Sun exposure helps the body produce vitamin D. Which sport uses a love score? Love means 0 in tennis scoring. Which part of the cell contains DNA? Can you nail this before the timer ends? DNA is stored in the nucleus of cell. Which Olympic Games were cancelled due to World War II? World War II caused cancellation of the 1940 and 1944 Olympics. Which organ regenerates itself? Quick! Your brain has 5 seconds to fire. The liver can regrow lost tissue. Which element has the highest melting point? Tungsten has the highest melting point among metals. Which country has won the most Olympic gold medals overall? The USA leads in total Olympic gold medals. Which scientist proposed gravity after observing a falling apple? This one is easiest of all. Newton formulated gravity laws after observing falling objects. Which part of the brain is responsible for decision-making? Wait, did you subscribe? If not, then subscribe our channel. The prefrontal cortex controls complex thinking, decisions, and behavior. Which substance is most responsible for ozone layer depletion? Fast thinking wins. What do you say? Chlorofluorocarbons break down ozone molecules in the stratosphere. Which country boycotted the 1984 Olympics competition? Think carefully, but act quickly. The Soviet Union led a boycott of the 1984 Los Angeles Olympics. Which type of radiation has the highest energy? Can you beat the clock? Gamma rays have the shortest wavelength and highest energy. Which ancient civilization built Machu Picchu? Speed matters. Answer before it's too late. The Inca civilization built Machu Picchu in Peru. Which mineral is essential for oxygen transport in blood? If you know it, say it out loud now. Iron is a key component of hemoglobin carrying oxygen. Which concept explains why airplanes stay in the air? Don't forget to share your scores in comments. Bernoulli's principle explain. Faster airflow above wings creates lower pressure, generating lift. Which rare phenomenon causes time to slow down at high speeds? Time's almost gone. Make your choice. According to relativity, time slows as speed increases. Which empire was the largest in history by land area? Don't wait too long. Pick your answer. The British Empire covered the largest global area. Which food compound is linked to cancer when overcooked? Only a few seconds left. What's your final choice? Acrylamide forms in high-temperature cooking. Which sport burns the most calories per hour? Swimming engages full-body muscles intensely. Which brain chemical is linked to motivation and reward? Focus. What's your final answer? Dopamine drives pleasure and motivation. Which country has hosted the Olympics the most times? Share this quiz with your friends. The USA has hosted multiple Olympic Games. Which human body part has no blood supply? Last question. Subscribe our channel for more quizzes. The cornea gets oxygen directly from air. So how much did you crack share you score in comments? And don't forget, we're dropping weekly quizzes that unlock epic knowledge and challenge what you think you know. So hit that subscribe button, like, and turn on the bell to stay ahead of the mystery curve.